grade into math lesson 17.5 part 2. On your own, number 2, use tools. Anita takes $1.75 to the store. How many pears can she buy? Write an expression to represent the situation. So we have our 35 cents each. She has $1.75, and they want to know how many pears she can buy. So what is our total or our dividend? $1.75 divided by how much each? 35 cents is going to equal what we need, right? Okay, so what am I going to, they want us to do a decimal model to find their quotient. So quotient is also the same thing as answer to a division problem, okay? So how many flats? 1, how many longs? And how many small cubes? Okay, so in each, so I can draw a circle, and how many do I need in it? 3 longs and 5 small cubes. And I had enough for that, right? So I'm going to get rid of this, and then I'm going to get rid of 3 longs, right? Now, do I have enough to put 3 longs and 5 small cubes in another circle? No, so I need to cross off a long and make it into 10 small cubes. Okay, now I can make another circle. I can put in my 3 longs, and I cross those off, and then I'm going to circle 5 small cubes because I got rid of those, right? Okay, now can I do another one without regrouping? Nope, so I need to regroup. So I'm going to get rid of this flat and put 10. Okay, and then now I can make another circle and put 3 longs in it and then 5 small cubes. So I got rid of these small cubes and I got rid of 3 longs. Okay, do I have enough? No, so I need to regroup what? Take a long and mark it off and then make, oh, not connected though. Okay, so now I can do another circle and put 3 longs in it and then get rid of 5 small cubes, mark them off. Okay, now do I have enough for 3 longs? Yep. 1, 2, 3, and then 5 small cubes, right? Did I get rid of all of my stuff? Yep, and how many groups do I have? 5, so 5 pairs. Okay, now another way to check this without having to draw a picture would be I'd have the 175, 175 in the house divided by 3,500. Okay, now what I've always told you is you have to be able to divide by a whole number. Okay, is 3,500 a whole number? No. In order for me to get it to a whole number, I have to move the decimal which place? 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So what I do to one problem, or what I do to the divisor, I have to do to the dividend as well. So if I moved it, the decimal 2 places to the right on the divisor, I have to do the same thing to 2 places on the dividend. Okay, and then my decimal can go straight up. All right. Now, say if I had to do 2 here and I only had 1 in the dividend spot, what could I add to the dividend? A 0, right? Okay, and then I would put the decimal straight up. Okay, so how many times does 35 go into 1? None. 17? None. And then we know already that it's 5, but let's check it. So 5 times 5 is 25. Put the 5, mentally carry the 2. 5 times 3 is, plus 2 is So nothing left over. So my answer is 5 pairs. So did those match up? Okay. So that is one way you can check it. Today they want visual models, so we're doing visual models. Okay. All right. Use a concrete or visual model. Identify the dividend in the divisor in the problem and solve. A sack contains 4 and 2/10 pounds of sand. Dan wants to put 6/10 pounds of sand in each flower pot. How many flower pots can he fill? So here is 4 and 2/10, 6/10 pounds. How many flower pots can he fill? So what is our dividend or what is our total? Remember what I do up here, you do on your paper. So if I circled and underline, you do that on your paper. Okay, so 4 and 2/10 divisor, or what are we dividing by? 6/10. Okay, so if I need to, what could I get? A piece of paper if I need more room to show my work, right? Okay, so how many flats? 4. How many longs? 2. Okay, do I have enough longs to put in a group? No, so I have to mark out one of these flats and draw 10 more. Okay, so I can draw a circle. How many do I need to put in there? Okay, then I get rid of 2 there, 2 there. Do I have 6 more that I can put in there? Yep, so I'm going to draw another group and put 6 more longs in there. And then mark them off. Okay, I got rid of all my longs. What do I need to do? Okay, take out a flat and add 10 more longs, right? Okay, I can make a group, use 6 more longs. So I got rid of 4 there and 2 there. Do I have enough? Nope. Get rid of a flat, draw 10 more. Okay, draw a group. I can get rid of 6. Okay, can I do another group? Yep. Get rid of 6. Okay, and then I had to mark out this flat, right, and draw 10 more. Basically, we're just doing a lot of regrouping, right, guys? Okay, get rid of 2 here, get rid of 4 here, so 6. And then I can do one more group, right? And get rid of them. Do I have anything left over now? Nope. So how many total groups do I have? So 7 flower pots. Okay, let's do a house problem to check it. So I have 4 and 2/10 divided by 6/10. Do I have a whole number in the divisor spot? No, I do not. So which way do I need to loop the decimal? One place to the right. So what I do to my divisor, I do to my dividend and then bring the decimal straight up. Okay, so how many times does 6 go into 42? 7 times. Minus 42, nothing left over. And so does this match that? Yep. Okay, so my answer is 7. Right? Okay, number 4. Candace needs 8/10 of a pint of milk to make a batch of butter. How many batches can she make if she has 2 and 4/10 pints? My dividend is 2 and 4/10 divided by, my divisor is 8/10. So how many flats do I need to draw? 2 flat and 4 long. Okay, then I'm going to draw a circle. How many needs to go in it? 8. So I need to get rid of a flat and draw 10 more, right? Okay, then I'm going to circle 8 of these. I'm going to circle 8 of those and mark them off. Can I draw another circle? No, because I only have how many? 6. So I need to get rid of a flat and draw 10 more. 10 more longs, right? So now I can draw a circle and put 8 in there. And then, so there's 6, and then I have 4. Then I can get rid of those. And then how many more do I have left? Oh, I circled way too many. I should have went here and then marked off. And then now I can put this in a group and mark it off. So how many total groups do I have? 3 batches. Okay, let's check it. So 2.4 in the box or in the house, and that's our dividend divided by 8/10. Do I have a whole number that I'm dividing by? No. So I need to, with the decimal, what? 1 place to the right. To make it a whole number, what I do to the divisor, I do to the dividend. So I'm going to bring it straight up. 8 into 24 is? And then I have nothing left over, so my answer is still 3 batches. Okay, number 5. A bird hops 7/200 of a meter. If each hop takes 9/100 of a meter, how many hops does the bird take? So what's my dividend or my whole number? 7/200. My divisor? 900. So what am I going to draw? And some small cubes, right? Okay. In one group, I need what? 9 small cubes. So I need to mark this out and make 9 or 10 more, right? Okay, I'm going to circle 9. Let's see. I have 8. Mark that off. Okay. Then, do I have enough? No. Okay. But what do I know? Right. So how many do each of these longs equal? 10, right? So how many do I have left? I have 60 here. So 60 small cubes here. Okay. And then I have how many here? 63, right? So I have a total of 63. So I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then that gets, so I had 63. I got rid of 9. How many more do I have left now? 54, right? So I can draw another circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got rid of 9 more. So I'm left with what? 45. And draw another circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got rid of 9 more. So 36. Can I draw another circle? Yeah. Yep. So another circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So got rid of 9 more. So I'm left with 27. Can I draw another one? Yeah. Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got rid of 9 more. I'm left with, can I draw another circle? Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got rid of 9 more. 9. Can I draw another one? Okay, and I got rid of 9 more. Am I left with anything else? No. Okay, so how many circles do I have? 8. So 8 hops. Okay, let's check it. So 7/200 divided by 900. I need to divide by a whole number. So how many places to the right do I loop over my decimal? 2. What I do to the divisor, I do to the dividend, and then bring my decimal straight up. 9 into 72 is 8. Now, when you do that, you're not always going to get a whole number. Today, we are.